Hey and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Shauna Donna Belafonte Mooney, and today I'm going to just be talking about my hair, how I manage it, how I treat it, and then I'm going to actually show you step by step. So obviously I have like Afro-Caribbean hair, I have deep wave Brazilian curls, and I also have alopecia. And to be honest, when I got diagnosed like around this time last year, and I just didn't know how to like manage it, handle it. So I've been researching and looking into things, and I'm just going to talk you through what I use on my head to like, you know, keep it. Like, I'm trying to like make it healthy and make it grow back. And yeah. So the first thing I take, should I say, is these. The hair and nails vitamins. And you just take one a day, and it's supposed to help with hair growth, making it stronger. Your nails, making them stronger. Even though they're acrylics. And helps with your skin. And then, so I take them every day, once every day. And then I do this, it's a hair mask. And it's hair food, 3-in-1 for hair mask. Natural origin, 98% ingredients are natural. It's coconut and macadamia, I think. You can research that because I don't know. And then, yeah, so that's what it looks like. It's by Garnier as well. And then you open it up, it smells bomb. It's just, smells everything. So yeah, I just cover the full head in that, which you'll see in a second. I do that every 2 to 3 weeks, and then after I've done that and washed it off, dried the hair, then I use this, and it's like a conditioner, but it's a cleansing conditioner, so it cleanses. It's a bit like when you cleanse your face, it cleanses everything out of the hair. So after I've done the mask, I usually leave it says you can leave the mask on for like 3 minutes, but I tend to leave it on for like 45. And then once I've washed it off, dried it, I will put that on, and I'll leave that on for 45. And when I'm getting close to like taking it off, I'll brush through my hair and then wash it off. I do apply it with like a dye brush and bowl, so you can really get in the roots, so it cleanses everything out, so you've just got clean hair. And then once I've done that, I will rinse it off, I will dry it. And then I add my treatment that I got prescribed by the by the dermatologist, and it's called Sassy.Lassy. And what it basically is it's like a gel, and you apply it to the head, which you'll see in a minute. And this is once every day, so I do this every day. And you apply it to where it's inflamed and hair loss, which my hair's starting to grow back a little bit, but it's still inflamed, and I get it at the temples, so that's where I apply it. And I got prescribed that off the dermatologist, and yeah, I just do the mask and the cleanse every 2 to 3 weeks, and I take the vitamins and apply the gel every day. And now I'm going to show you exactly how I do it, and hopefully it'll help people out there that have like similar problems or the same. And if you want me to do like a more in-depth video on the whole disease, I will. Just let me know down below.